Hello, in this video I want to show you how to replace the batteries in a Fitbit scale. And to do this we'll need to look on the bottom of the scale right here. You can see the hatch, so open it, you can use your fingernail for that. Now you need 3 AAA batteries for that, so you should place them like that. Minus right here and a plus right here. Then just follow the instructions, so minus right here and a plus there, and this one like this. Then you can close the hatch, and from here your scale should power up. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.